With hot or cold weather coming on, it's time to get that little chip or crack in your windshield repaired before it gets any bigger. Yes, repair is possible with Clark's Spotless Windshield Crack Repair, tested and proven system of repair. Clark's Spotless Windshield Crack Repair will come to you and repair that little damage in nothing flat without removing your windshield. So the inexpensive alternative to glass replacement is Clark's Spotless Windshield Crack Repair at 718-533-6142. Save time and money. Call 718-533-6142 now.